for the extra credit research participation, I have this loaded in the Psych Department Canvas page. So if you go into that, I put it in this top module. It says basic information. So you'll see midterm extra credit. I've listed it as worth 0 points, and what you'll do is you can simply add 10 points for those who complete that, and then that just loads into the total score in the gradebook. So this is what students will see wherever you put this. You can put this in a module, wherever you want it to be. They'll see the description. They need to complete the Google form. Gives them a completion code at the end of it. They copy that, paste that into a text entry box. So you'll have to go through in your gradebook and make sure they've completed the code, they've entered the accurate code. And then for those who do, just add those 10 bonus points. So when they click on it, it opens into the Google form. They give consent and then go through the study. And then just let me make sure the settings here. You need to check the confirmation code. So the completion code should be Q90453. So I have it set. I have it set to load the points into my exams. If you copy it into a course, it automatically goes into imported assignments. So you can put that wherever you want. So if we go back here, just to copy this midterm extra credit, just go to copy to, and so I'm going to copy it into my 101 class. So you should be able to copy it into any of your course sections. You have the option of putting it in a module, so I'm going to put it in my exam 2 module. If you have weak modules, however you have your module set up, put it there. I know it's going to go at the bottom, so I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to go into that course and see if it's copied in. So I'm going to go to my modules. Go to exam 2, and my exam's not loaded yet because I have that tomorrow, but now I see I'm going to unpublish that until after students have completed the exam, but now I see the midterm extra credit is in there. You need to adjust the due date, so I'll have it set so that it's available for 1 week after the exam. And that should take care of it. If there's any questions or issues,